Hey, good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightville Beach. Want to do just a real quick video walkthrough on this Galeon 425. Great natural light, great windows throughout. This whole area opens up between the sliding sunroof and this aft window that opens, sliding windows on the side, Garmin electronics, 410 hours of use, Volvo Penta joystick, got storage in this compartment. Stepping down, kind of a bird's eye view from the galley, good handholds coming down 4 steps. Take you from this kind of common area galley into the master, which is going to be aft. Got an acrylic door with a separate shower, and then facing back towards the aft area, we've got your master TV, good size berth, hanging locker here, good storage. Then you've got a day head or guest head. Close this door and show you the forward stateroom. Back into the common area. Here's the stairs leading back up to the helm area. Obviously this cushion flip-flops to make this a banquette. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Give me a call if you got any questions, 910-264-4818. Thanks.